This 2023 Fleetwood Pace Arrow 36U is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 37 feet 7 inches in length and features a Charleston Decor, Heritage Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, Slideout, leveling jacks, awning, TV antenna, self-contained, stove-top burner, water heater, auxiliary battery, external shower, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Fleetwood Pace Arrow 36U is built on a Freightliner XCS chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.